When shooting outdoors, it's really hard to control everything. There's always going to be some kind of reflections coming in, maybe colors that you don't want in your photos reflecting and hitting your subjects or whatever's around. But in Luminar AI, there's definitely easy ways to take that out.
For this photo here, we had a really white sheet and a bright blue sky, and so you can see some of the blue reflecting down onto the sheet, and we just want to get rid of that. So we're going to go over to the color tool and remove the color cast, and as you can see, it's slowly starting to get rid of it a little bit, but there's a few other things that I would probably do to really get that to go away. So I want to go over into my luminance, and I'm going to raise the blue all the way to 100, and then I want to go into the saturation as well and drop my blues all the way down. And as you can see, yes, that makes a huge difference.
So here's a little before and after. You can really see the blues in that sheet before and after. It's very white, very creamy. It looks a lot better.
It takes all of that blue that was reflecting onto the sheet away, and it makes it so it's not distracting you and you can just be enjoying the picnic.